Welcome to the Bible Quiz and Trivia channel. Today, we're diving into the intricate details of 3 John to test your knowledge on its unique messages and teachings. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video to support our content. After the quiz, share your score in the comments. We love seeing how well you do. Are you ready? Let's get started. Question 1. Who is the author of 3 John? A. Peter. B. Paul. C. John. D. James. Answer: C. John. John identifies himself as the elder, which is consistent with the style of the Johannine epistles, traditionally attributed to John the Apostle. Question 2. To whom is 3 John addressed? A. The elect lady. B. Gaius. C. The church in Ephesus. D. Philemon. Answer: B. Gaius. 3 John is addressed to Gaius, whom John commends for his hospitality and faithfulness to the truth. Question 3. What is the main theme of 3 John? A. End times prophecy. B. Church hospitality and dealing with internal conflicts. C. The deity of Christ. D. Instructions on church order. Answer: B. Church hospitality and dealing with internal conflicts. The epistle focuses on issues of hospitality within the church, particularly concerning the support of itinerant teachers and dealing with opposition from influential figures like Diotrephes. Question 4. How does the author describe Gaius in 3 John? A. As deceitful. B. As beloved. C. As negligent. D. As contentious. Answer: B. As beloved. John refers to Gaius as beloved, indicating a close and affectionate relationship and commending his character and actions in the truth. Question 5. What issue does 3 John address regarding church hospitality? A. The need to host pagan festivals. B. The refusal to support false teachers. C. The support of itinerant Christian teachers. D. Hosting only wealthy visitors. Answer: C. The support of itinerant Christian teachers. John emphasizes the importance of supporting itinerant Christian teachers, criticizing Diotrephes for his failure to do so and commending Gaius for his hospitality. Question 6. Who is commended for their faithfulness in 3 John? A. Demetrius. B. Diotrephes. C. Paul. D. Timothy. Answer: A. Demetrius. Demetrius is commended for his faithfulness and having a good testimony from everyone, including the truth itself. Question 7. Who is criticized for loving to be first among them? A. Peter. B. Diotrephes. C. John. D. Gaius. Answer: B. Diotrephes. Diotrephes is criticized for loving to have the preeminence among them, opposing John's authority and teachings, and exhibiting unwelcoming behavior towards fellow believers. Question 8. What does the author advise about accepting and supporting itinerant teachers? A. To refuse them. B. To support them. C. To report them to authorities. D. To ignore them. Answer: B. To support them. John advises the recipients of his letter to support itinerant teachers, emphasizing that such actions help in the cooperation for the truth. Question 9. What does the author say about Diotrephes? A. He is a great leader. B. He is supportive. C. He loves to have preeminence and does not acknowledge John's authority. D. He is humble. Answer: C. He loves to have preeminence and does not acknowledge John's authority. John specifically calls out Diotrephes for seeking preeminence within the church and refusing to acknowledge apostolic authority, indicating issues of pride and control. Question 10. How does John describe his relationship with Gaius? A. Strained. B. Distant. C. Close and affectionate. D. Formal. Answer: C. Close and affectionate. John expresses deep affection for Gaius, indicating a close and supportive relationship, emphasizing mutual respect and love. Question 11. What behavior does Diotrephes exhibit according to John? A. Hospitality. B. Generosity. C. Gossip and exclusion. D. Submissiveness. Answer: C. Gossip and exclusion. Diotrephes is accused of gossiping maliciously and excluding, refusing, and excommunicating those who wish to welcome the brethren, displaying hostile behavior towards other believers. Question 12. What does John say about speaking face to face? A. He prefers letters. B. He finds it unnecessary. C. He hopes to speak face to face soon. D. He avoids it. Answer: C. He hopes to speak face to face soon. John expresses a preference to discuss matters face to face rather than through letters, suggesting the importance of personal interaction for effective communication. Question 13. What does John hope to do soon according to the letter? A. Retire. B. Visit. C. Write another letter. D. Send a representative. Answer: B. Visit. John mentions his hope to visit soon, which indicates his desire to personally address the issues discussed in the letter and strengthen the relationship. Question 14. Who is commended for his testimony to the church? A. Paul. B. Peter. C. Demetrius. D. James. Answer: C. Demetrius. Demetrius is specifically commended for having a good testimony from everyone, and from the truth itself, indicating his upright character and faithful service. Question 15. How does John describe his feelings towards the church in 3 John? A. Indifferent. B. Frustrated. C. Joyful. D. Concerned. Answer: C. Joyful. John expresses great joy when he hears of the church living in the truth, particularly praising Gaius' faithfulness, reflecting his deep care and affection for the well-being of the believers. Question 16. What does John say about those who do good in 3 John? A. They have nothing to do with the truth. B. They do not know God. C. They are of God. D. They should be ignored. Answer: C. They are of God. John emphasizes that anyone who does what is good is from God, reinforcing the concept that godly actions reflect a divine origin and relationship with God. Question 17. How does the author contrast the actions of Gaius and Diotrephes? A. Gaius is praised for his humility, while Diotrephes is criticized for his greed. B. Gaius is commended for hospitality, while Diotrephes is reproached for his divisiveness. C. Gaius is noted for his wisdom, Diotrephes for his foolishness. D. Gaius is silent, whereas Diotrephes is outspoken. Answer: B. Gaius is commended for hospitality, while Diotrephes is reproached for his divisiveness. The letter praises Gaius for his welcoming nature and assistance to missionaries, contrasting sharply with Diotrephes' hostile and divisive behavior. Question 18. What does the author mention about Demetrius? A. He is criticized for his misconduct. B. He has a good testimony from everyone. C. He is unknown to the church. D. He is indifferent to the mission. Answer B. He has a good testimony from everyone. Demetrius is highlighted positively, having a good reputation from everyone and also from the truth itself, indicating his commendable and consistent Christian conduct. Question 19. How does John summarize the behavior of those who do evil? A. They have seen God. B. They have misunderstood God. C. They have not seen God. D. They are beloved by God. Answer C. They have not seen God. John starkly states that those who do evil have not seen God, establishing a clear dichotomy between godly behavior and understanding versus wickedness and ignorance of God. Question 20. What role does truth play in the letter of 3 John? A. It is mentioned as contentious. B. It is central to John's message and commendation of Gaius. C. It is deemed irrelevant. D. It is criticized. Answer B. It is central to John's message and commendation of Gaius. Truth is a central theme in 3 John, particularly in the way John commends Gaius for walking in the truth and how truth should govern Christian behavior and hospitality. Question 21. What does the author wish for Gaius concerning all things? A. He may fail. B. He may prosper and be in health. C. He may lead the community. D. He may become wealthy. Answer B. He may prosper and be in health. John expresses a heartfelt wish that Gaius may prosper and enjoy good health, just as his soul prospers, highlighting his concern for both physical and spiritual well-being. Question 22. How does the letter reflect the themes of hospitality and support for missionaries? A. By condemning the practice. B. By encouraging isolation. C. By commending and encouraging the support of traveling teachers. D. By ignoring the issue. Answer C. By commending and encouraging the support of traveling teachers. The letter strongly advocates for the support of missionaries, commending Gaius for his actions in this regard and setting it as a standard for others to follow. Question 23. What is John's prayer for Gaius's health and soul? A. That both may deteriorate. B. That he may prosper in both. C. That he focuses only on spiritual matters. D. That he neglects his health for spiritual growth. Answer B. That he may prosper in both. John prays that Gaius may prosper in all things and be in health, just as his soul prospers, showing a balanced concern for both physical and spiritual well-being. Question 24. In what way does the author suggest resolving the issue with Diotrephes? A. Ignoring Diotrephes completely. B. Confronting Diotrephes directly when John comes. C. Encouraging others to follow Diotrephes. D. Leaving the church. Answer B. Confronting Diotrephes directly when John comes. John indicates that he will address the issues caused by Diotrephes directly upon his arrival, showing a hands-on approach to conflict resolution within the church. Question 25. How does the author plan to address the issues caused by Diotrephes? A. By writing letters. B. By sending an emissary. C. By discussing these issues face-to-face when he visits. D. By expelling Diotrephes. Answer C. By discussing these issues face-to-face when he visits. John plans to speak directly about the problems caused by Diotrephes during his upcoming visit, emphasizing personal intervention and direct communication. Question 26. What is the significance of the author's joy being made complete? A. It shows his detachment from the church. B. It reflects his satisfaction with the church's spiritual progress. C. It indicates his frustration with the church. D. It highlights his plans to lead the ministry. Answer B. It reflects his satisfaction with the church's spiritual progress. John's joy is made complete by hearing of the faithful walk in the truth by the members like Gaius, reflecting his deep pastoral concern and satisfaction with their spiritual growth. Question 27. How does the author contrast the witness of the church and the behavior of Diotrephes? A. By showing both in a negative light. B. By praising both. C. By highlighting the church's faithful witness against Diotrephes' problematic actions. D. By ignoring the differences. Answer C. By highlighting the church's faithful witness against Diotrephes' problematic actions. The contrast is stark, with the church's positive behavior and Diotrephes' negative actions, setting up a clear example of what to emulate and what to avoid. Question 28. What specific support does John encourage for traveling teachers? A. Financial and logistical support. B. Only moral support. C. Criticism and scrutiny. D. None at all. Answer A. Financial and logistical support. John encourages the church to support itinerant teachers in practical ways, including financial and logistical support, to aid their mission and ensure the spread of the gospel. Question 29. How does 3 John fit into the general themes of the Johannine epistles? A. It contradicts them. B. It complements them by focusing on personal relationships and truth. C. It is unrelated. D. It focuses only on end times. Answer B. It complements them by focusing on personal relationships and truth. 3 John complements the themes of the Johannine epistles by emphasizing personal relationships within the church, truth, and living out one's faith in practical hospitality. Question 30. What does the closing of the letter suggest about John's pastoral care and concern? A. Indifference. B. Deep pastoral care and concern for the church's well-being. C. Negligence. D. Unawareness of the church's state. Answer B. Deep pastoral care and concern for the church's well-being. The closing remarks of John, expressing his wishes to visit and speak face-to-face, underscore his ongoing commitment and deep pastoral concern for the church, highlighting his role as a caring and involved leader.